There are new developments about evidence in the Cory Bigsby case. Today, a judge ruled prosecutors can use statements Bigsby allegedly made about his son Codi's death in his upcoming trial.
And the Hampton father is accused of killing the 4-year-old Bigsby. Bigsby reported him missing almost 2 years ago. And Allison Basil is in the studio. And Allison, the defense team wanted those statements blocked.
Janet, Dan, over the past 2 days, Cory Bigsby's defense attorneys argued their case for keeping 4 statements Bigsby made about his son's death out of his trial. They say jail staff coerced Bigsby to write them, but after hours of witness testimony, it didn't convince the judge. We want to warn you, some viewers may find the details disturbing. Cory Bigsby is now set to go on trial for murder on March 4th, 2024, and that's when a jury will read letters he allegedly wrote detailing ways his son Codi Bigsby could have died. Bigsby's defense team tried to get Judge James Hawks to toss the prosecution's evidence. Defense attorney Amina Matheny Willard argued her client experienced trauma at the Hampton Police Division starting the day investigators questioned him about Codi's disappearance in January 2022. She says at the Hampton Roads Regional Jail, Bigsby was in isolation on suicide watch for a minimum of 4 months. She told Judge Hawks after months behind bars, when Bigsby is, quote, at his wit's end, he writes the statements. During the hearing, Hampton Roads Regional Jail officers testified Bigsby wrote the statements from August 2022 to January 2023. In 3 of the letters, Bigsby says he found Codi unresponsive at the bottom of the steps and tried CPR. He says he put him in a trash bag and buried him at a location in Maryland. Today, defense attorneys questioned a correctional officer about a letter she found in a notebook in Bigsby's jail cell on Christmas Day 2022. In that letter, Bigsby writes about beating his son to death. Matheny Willard reminded the judge earlier this year he ordered Bigsby to undergo mental health treatment. She says the order came down just a month after his Christmas letter. Still, Judge Hawks said he found no reason to suppress the evidence. Bigsby and Matheny Willard did not want to comment on the ruling.
I'm not going to comment. Again, I've advised him, so I'm trying to set a good example.
Hampton Commonwealth's attorney Anton Bell says he's ready to try the case.
We knew the law was on our side, and it was a frivolous motion, and the court has ruled accordingly, and we are happy about it.
Today, defense attorneys also asked for the prosecution to hand over body camera video from every investigator who searched Bigsby's house almost 2 years ago. Judge Hawks says the prosecution has 7 days to complete their request. In studio, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
And the attorneys plan to meet again on February 13th for a pretrial hearing.